Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey everybody, Rock here. Follow me on Twitter at life_Rocky and on Instagram, one word, ROCKPITRE. That's my name. I'm also a certified life coach and I am looking forward to helping anybody with any sort of goals or problems with their lives. I just want to help people. So please feel free to reach out through a personal message. I would really appreciate that. Looking forward to helping you guys. Today's little talk is about what we're going to be doing here in our house in regards to help our marriage, and that's couples therapy. That's right, couples therapy. Don't wait until it's too late to pursue or follow or access couples therapy. It's like a car. The car needs preventative maintenance to be tip-top shape. Don't wait until the wheels fall off. I have a short story in regards to how beneficial preventative maintenance is, and that's when I was in my 20s. I had a friend who had a car, and Fast and the Furious was really all that and a bag of chips back then. And he had a Honda Civic that really was low to the ground and was really shiny and whatever else. And there was a noise coming from the front, and we weren't too sure exactly what it was all about. And it was only until I had a couple of girls with me in the back, and I was driving the car on the highway going about 110 kilometers an hour, that I realized what was wrong. And that was the wheel was loose, and the wheel came right off the car. And the car slammed to the ground and stalled, and the girls were freaking out, and I was freaking out, and I was able to pull the car onto the side of the road, having the tire bounce over a car, missing it by 6 inches. So imagine how much benefits or how beneficial it would have been for us to do a bit more preventative care in the car. We were really good at shining it and making it look like the Fast and the Furious, but it really operated like a, I don't know, Walmart special, bargain bin special car. So I hope this video helps you. Don't wait until it's too late. Find some preventative care for your marriage or your partnership with somebody. It is super important to invest in your marriage, invest in your relationship. It will pay off 10 times its value in the long run. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Have yourselves a great day. Bye-bye.